Hello guys, welcome. In the last video we briefly discussed on the structures of the code that we want to integrate our Jitsi. So right now we are going to create another link for Jitsi. I want to copy this and paste it. Okay, let's call the page name Jitsi. We want to use admin controller. Inside admin controller, I want to pick a method. Let's call that method Jitsi. And here I am going to call it Jitsi live meeting. Okay, so I want to remove this guy and save that. Okay, let's call it class. I think class is cool. So if I save that, refresh on our browser, beautiful, we have the option Jitsi live class. Okay, so guys, let me change the zoom also. Zoom live class. Beautiful. So guys, let me explain something. If you are using core PHP, just make sure you have a link by the navigation and make sure you create a page. This is a code igniter framework. We need to communicate with our controller, and that is why I'm pointing to a controller here. Pick a method or function inside the admin controller. You are going to get the concept very soon. Okay, so I want to change this to laptop. Let me save that. Let's go to our browser and refresh. Okay, beautiful. So we have it. Jitsi live class. If I click on it, okay, we should see 404 page not found because we don't have this method inside the admin controller. Okay, so guys, what we are going to do right now is that we need to go to our controllers folder. Let's open admin controller, admin.php. So this is our controller, guys. I want to scroll down to the last page. Okay, so let me explain something for the new student. Okay, so when you see function, this is a method, and this is admin controller. Okay, so this is a method inside the admin controller. For example, if I come down, let's create a method Jitsi. Beautiful. So I am going to copy the page name here and paste it. Our page name, let's call it Jitsi, and for the title, Jitsi live class. Okay, if I save this, but before that I want to specify some parameters. Okay, so this is a code igniter. Don't worry guys. Okay, if you are using core PHP, all right, just make sure that you have a link that is pointing to a page where you are going to prepare your form. Okay, because when you click on save, it must save the information to the Jitsi table. Actually, we don't have the table, but we are going to create it in a moments to come. Okay, but for the code igniter developers, you should understand what I'm doing. Okay, I want to save this now. Let's go back to our browser and refresh. Beautiful. So this is the page title and this is the page now. Okay, because it has been found. We have this Jitsi method. This is it here inside admin controller. Okay, so this is how CodeIgniter works for those who are not CodeIgniter developer, but it's okay, you are going to get the concept. So guys, in the next video we are going to create the table first. Okay, you know what guys, let's create the form first. Let's know the information that we want to save to the table. Okay, or we can equally create table so that the table would determine the form that we are going to prepare. It depends. Okay, so in the next video we are going to create Jitsi table that want to hold the information that we want to save to that base. So thank you guys, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.